Here's the backyard at 22206 Claibourne Drive in Saugus. Very, very tranquil. What's nice about it is not only does it have a very large pool, it has new pebble tech as well, but also the yard has a lot of space, not just from the pool, but actually if we go over this way, you can see that the yard itself does have quite a bit of space as far as just play area, grass, and that is the jasmine surrounding it as well. And of course, if we go over this way, you can also see the end of the RV pad, but it will equip a full-size motorhome boat as well. But just a beautiful piece of property, very tranquil back here. I can just imagine sitting here and having a cup of coffee or surfing the internet or whatever it may be, entertaining family and friends, or just having that quiet moment that really does feel good. Anyway, please check it out, 22206 Claibourne Drive, Saugus. It's in Circle J Ranch at the end of a cul-de-sac, and it is priced at $949,000. Be well, and I will talk to you soon.